brown bear, what do you see? I see a ripper looking at me. Ripper, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. Purple dog, white dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? We see a brown bear and a red duck and a red bird and a yellow duck and a blue horse and a green frog and a purple cat and a white dog and a black sheep and a goldfish and a teacher. That's what we see. The end.
Thank you.
You're welcome.